On today's episode, I get a box from Starla. Let's see what's inside. The new Arcadia Workshop is supported by the following.
Solid State Radio, your local alternative.
Hi guys, it's been a while, hasn't it? A little too long if you ask me, but hey, life happens. But I'll address that at a different time. Today, I wanted to talk about an amazing thing that happened to me not that long ago. So I had entered a contest. It was the Handmade Alpha Academy, Alpha of the Year contest. And let's back up a little bit. The Alpha of the Year, let's even go farther back than that. The Handmade Alphas is a Etsy business coach program ran by Starla and her husband Mark. And they are amazing people. I found them on YouTube about a year ago. They do a live webcast on YouTube called The Friday Bean every Friday, where they go over tips and tricks and other stuff on Etsy to try and maximize your SEO and a bunch of other things. And it's all absolutely amazing information. So I thought about it and I tried a few things here and there, and believe it or not, it really made my Etsy shop just skyrocket. I'm like, okay, something's going on here. Then I found out about her program called the Handmade Alpha Academy, which is $1,000. I know that sounds like a lot, but trust me, it is totally worth it. It's a self-paced course where you can go through and legitimately maximize your entire Etsy store. I mean, you can take it from here and you make it like way up here. That's how crazy it is. And I've been so busy myself with it. I've only gotten through maybe a third of the program. And my sales for this year alone already have jumped 130%. And we still have about 3.5 months left in this year. So, if that says anything about the kind of results you can get with this program. But if you're looking to get more information about it, I'll put a link down below. And I'll also put a link to her YouTube channel because her free content is awesome as well, and that's where I highly suggest starting if you're a little bit, skeptical about the whole spending that kind of money on Etsy and whatnot. I don't think of it as a bill, I think of it as an absolute investment. And it's a lifetime pass too. Once you pay your entrance fee to get in, it's there for life, so that is absolutely amazing. So I joined back in December of last year and really implemented a lot of this stuff after Christmas. And like I said, it was crazy how well it worked. And they have a contest every year called the Alpha of the Year Award, where the people that have signed up go through and do a little video that's also on this channel, which was awful, and Starla wouldn't let me, put any effects on it. She said, one shot, one recording, that's all you get. And I'm like, okay. I had no intentions of winning. But my story was voted the best out of, I think it was like a dozen or 15. And my story got 4 times as many votes as second place. And that just blew my freaking mind. But one of the things that they sent over to me is a digital camera, which I'm still waiting on. That's perfectly fine. I don't really need one at the moment. And they sent me this big, huge box of swag. And I don't quite know what's in it. So I think we should do an unboxing and see what's in it and see what kind of crazy stuff they sent. Because she said there's a lot of interesting and awesome stuff in there. So I think we should go find out. What do you think? Let's go. Alright, so got the box from Miss Starla. She has excellent handwriting. I wish my handwriting was that good. Mine just looks like spaghetti noodles. Anyways, let's see what we got. If I remember correctly, Mark always says to cut towards you. So, Mark Moore can't be wrong, ever. So, let's just cut this open and see what's going on. That's that. Even has the Alpha logo on it in a holographic pattern. That's pretty nifty. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, black tissue paper. Can't go wrong with that. Lots of black tissue paper. Aw, there is a card. And it's from Amber Marie. Amber Marie was the first year winner, and she's amazing. Ooh, there's stickers. I love stickers. Those are going probably either on my computer desk, on my air compressor. Oh, there's a couple more. Nice. Wow, they're all went up for this. Wes, thank you for being such an inspiration to us as well in the Alpha community. Starla and I believe that's Mark and Amber. Just, yeah. Okay. That's awesome. Starla Moore and it has to be Mark. Anyways, I suck at reading handwriting sometimes. The wolf. And of course, it's Amber Marie. Amber Marie is amazing. She British, you know. Sorry. Alright. More tissue paper. Whoa, what's this? Bro, really? A flag? No. Holy crap. It's a, no, dude. Dude. Wow. It's a banner. I don't know if you can see it all. I'll have to get a picture of me holding this later. But it says Alpha of the Year, Wes Immel. Holy crap. I did not expect that at all. That is going on my wall. That is the coolest thing ever. I could just stop right here and call it good. But I'm not. Wow. That and the print job is fantastic. I used to be a screen printer and yeah, I know that's printed on, but damn, that's cool. Wow, I did not even see that one coming. That is absolutely amazing. Wow. Holy cow. This over here. They weren't kidding when they said they were going to load this up. Some stuff from Amber Marie. Amber Marie, she's such an amazing person. She started out just like me and got into the Alpha Academy, and this is all she does for a job now, and she's one of my biggest inspirations too. So we have a Alpha Academy bookmark, a notepad, and another card. Oh, that is amazing. And Amber actually draws all this, so her talent is second to none, really. This is absolutely amazing. And a couple pins for some swag. Oh, I see something else with my name on it. Holy cow. Holy cow. Okay, what else do we have here? A t-shirt. And it has my name on the tag. See that? They embroidered a t-shirt with my name on it, Alpha of the Year. Oh my god. Holy cow, guys. Wow. Bro, that's a soft shirt. What is that? Poly, I think. I think it's like a 50-50 or a 80-20. This is going to be my date night shirt, absolutely. No, I'm not one of those kind of people that's, conceited enough or anything, but damn. Y'all spoiled me. Y'all really did. If you can hear that, there's thunder in the background, so I apologize. So I'm going to probably do this in 2 parts. They weren't kidding when they said they had some stuff. Oh, a hoodie? Holy crap, that's a heavy hoodie. Dude. This is going to be my new hoodie. I don't care what anybody says. I have a rule with my hoodies. Nobody gets to wear my hoodies, and if somebody does, they either stole it from me or they're damn special. And this has my name on it and Alpha of the Year. Go check out AlphAdapt. That's Starla and Amber's clothing line. I'll leave a link down in the description somewhere. That is fantastic. Oh my god. That thing is heavy. That thing will be warm. That thing will be absolutely warm here in Michigan. And the last thing is the most coveted and most prestigious of them all, the trophy. Ah, yes! That is amazing. If you guys can read that. Handmade Alpha Academy Alpha of the Year 2021. Wes Immel, New Arcadia Metal and Works. Holy cow. I honestly am very, very, very speechless right now. This has been... I didn't expect any of this, honestly. I knew I was getting a trophy, and trophy's cool and everything, but I mostly just wanted to share the gospel and the amazing information that Starla and Mark and Amber and everybody else have given me over the last year. It hasn't even been a year, since October of last year, so almost, but not quite. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and set this camera back up somewhere else, and we'll finish this up. I am actually blown away. I am speechless of Starla and Mark's generosity, as well as Amber Marie for throwing some stuff in. Yeah, I mean, I'm just completely speechless. That is one of the coolest things I've ever gotten in the mail. I just think it's absolutely amazing. They have been awesome people to me. And that hoodie alone is amazing. It is like, it's huge. It's awesome. It's going to be like my new hoodie. Like, I have hoodies that I only wear, and like, yeah, that is going to be my new hoodie. That is amazing. And the tapestry, and the t-shirt, and all the other little things, and the trophy. That trophy is going on my computer desk, right next to my computer monitor. Damn right it is. But like I said, this whole thing has been absolutely amazing. Nothing like this has ever happened to me before. And I am just so, so, so thankful and so grateful for Mark and Starla for what they do. And without them, I probably would have given up on Etsy. And because they came through and they've been helping out, and I just can't say enough good things about them. So, I think that's it for today, guys. I apologize for not being around a lot lately. Like I said, my Etsy's been busy, so I've been, trying to make stuff, sell stuff, and keep the bills paid. And after all, that's kind of the whole intention of this thing. So, I'm rambling now. So, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. And I will leave links to everything down below because that's what you do here on YouTube. So, thank you. I will see you guys next time.